Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I will share with you the specification and refill details of HP ink tank printer 415 model. The ink tank printer is one of the best suitable printer for regular use because more pages for your money. Print what you want with an extremely low cost per page. High capacity ink tank system. Print thousands of pages, simply add more ink when you are running low. Engineer for high volume printing. Get up to 8000 pages with a set of 3 HP color bottle or up to 6000 pages with an HP black ink bottle. It has print, scan, copy, wireless and mobile printing functions. Ink bottle numbers and the printing capacity of each bottle are given in the cartoon. GT51 for black and GT52 for color. The black bottle is available in 3 sizes: standard, XL and XXL. The company provides 3 standard size color bottles and 2 XXL size black bottles with new printer. Minimum system requirements company mentioned on the cartoon for Windows, Mac, Linux operating system. You can print documents and photos directly from your mobile devices, including iOS, Android, Windows Mobile and Chromebook. This app helps you to set up, scan, print, share and manage your HP printer. You can share documents and images through email, text messages and popular cloud and social media services such as iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox and Facebook. These are the buttons on the control panel. From above, first control panel display, cancel button, resume button, wireless button, information button, Wi-Fi direct button, HP ePrint button, photocopy color button, photocopy black button and last one is the power button. Dimensions of this printer: width 52.5 cm, depth 31 cm, height 15.8 cm. Total weight of this printer 4.67 kg only. This foldable tray is the output tray of this printer. Maximum has 25 sheets capacity of this tray. We just need to open this tray, extend it will hold the paper after the printing. It comes a collapsible paper output tray, it makes it portable. Print speed of this printer: black 8 pages per minute and color 5 pages per minute. Next, let's see where is the ink carriage or print heads of this printer. First, open this door. After open the access door, press and hold the black copy button for about 3 seconds until the print carriage start moving. The print heads are the components in the print mechanism that apply ink to the paper. There are 2 print heads, a black ink print head and a tricolor ink print head. Please note, after you have set up the printer, do not open the print head latch unless installing new print heads or moving the printer outside your home or office. Push down to open the print head latch. Black print head on the right side and color print head on the left side of the carriage. Please note, do not touch the electrical contacts on the print head. Slide the print head into the slot until it clicks into place. Then firmly close the print head latch. Make sure the print head latch is properly closed to avoid problems such as carriage jams. Close the print head access door. Next, let's see how to refill the ink tanks. It has transparent ink tanks. Easily see how much ink is left. No worries about running out. Transparent ink tanks allows you to monitor ink levels and easily refill your ink tank with spill-free resealable bottles. The company has provided ink bottle numbers on the tank door and gives incorrect and correct direction of refill with pictures. Match the color of the ink bottle to the color on the tank when you fill the tanks and seal the rubber ink tank caps properly after that. When you refill the ink tanks, fill the ink to the maximum lanes only. Any ink level above the maximum lane may cause ink leakage. Use the ink level lanes on the ink tanks to determine when to fill the tanks and how much ink should be added. The capacity of the tanks: black is 80 ml, colors are 70 ml for each color. From left side, first tank for black color and second for cyan, third for magenta, and last tank for yellow color. Please note, the actual ink level should not be higher than the maximum line, and the actual ink level should not be lower than the minimum line. If you notice any ink level reach the minimum line during daily printing, refill that tank with correct ink. Printing with ink level below the minimum line may cause damage to your printer. Okay, let's see how to refill to ink tanks from ink bottles. Remove the cap of the ink tank you plan to refill. Now I remove the cap of cyan color. Just to remove the cap of the ink bottle, remove the seal from bottle, install the cap back onto the bottle and the pull open to top part of the cap. Hold the ink bottle on tank nozzle and refill the ink tank to the maximum lane only. If ink doesn't drain immediately, remove and reinsert bottle on tank. Please note, you should not squeeze the ink bottle during this process. Now I filled the tank with 70 ml of cyan ink. After then close tank with cap properly. If there is leftover ink in the bottle, store the bottle in an upright position in a cool and dry place. Precautions for working with ink bottles. Keep the ink bottles beyond the reach of children and open the ink bottle only when you plan to fill the ink tanks. Do not tilt, shake or squeeze the ink bottle when it is open to prevent ink leaks. Use the following tips to work with printheads. To protect the printheads from drying out, always turn the printer off using the power button and wait until the power button lights goes out. Do not open or untap printheads until you are ready to install them. Leaving tap on the printheads reduces ink evaporation. Insert the new printheads into the correct slots. Match the color and icon of each printhead to the color and icon for each slot. Make sure the printheads snap into place and then close the printheads latch. After you have set up the printer, do not open the printhead latch unless installing new printheads or moving the printer outside your home or office. If you remove the printhead from the printer for any reason, try to replace it again as soon as possible. Outside of the printer, if unprotected, the printhead may begin to drying out. Please note, product service or repairs required as a result of filling the ink tanks improperly and or using non-HP ink will not be covered under warranty. All colors are filled in the tank and printer now is ready to use. Borderless printing is possible with this printer, so create high quality borderless photos and flare right in your home. Print resolution is for black 1200 x 1200, for color 4800 x 1200. It is support different size and types of paper and envelopes. Up to A4 size can support in this printer. Size of each paper is given on this tray, so you can adjust the paper size accordingly. From 64 to 280 gram paper is support in this printer. This video is winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more about this video, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.